Hey, what's up everybody? Shinwar here with GEEK-N-OUT, bringing you the latest and greatest in comics, games, toys, and tech. And guess what I have here? The Xbox One X Project Scorpio edition. I'm so happy. Been gone for about a week. I was away and now I'm back. And this little baby was waiting for me. So there you have it in green, Project Scorpio edition. I don't know if you can see here. Probably can't see that. Let's get a little close. Oh yeah, see that? Specs, what's included in the box. This is the back of it. Get that in focus. Bring it around, Xbox One X. Oh yeah. Yeah, so I'm very happy about this. So let's just dig right into it. Tools. Cut. Oh yeah. All right, let's see. See if you can get that. Oh, all right. I'm gonna go forward with it. Gonna bring that here. Bring all this up top, and bam. All right, what do we have here? Xbox Game Pass. Okay, that's cool. I think I get, what, 2 weeks? You see that there? Sorry for the glare, guys. See that right there? Also get a Xbox Live Gold, which I already have. Very nice. Nice little case they gave me. All right. Let's get down to power cord. Voila. Power cord. Pamphlet, Xbox One X, HDMI cable. Oh yeah. Ooh, what is this lovely piece of devicery? Is that a word, devicery? The Xbox One X. Now this the Xbox One X controller, this thing feels good. I feel the grips there. And here you can see it says Project Scorpio. That's nice. Controller feels good. That feels good. It comes with batteries. Very nice, Microsoft. Very nice. What's in here? Oh, the stand. I completely forgot about this. So here you have the stand. Very nice. Very nice. Just gonna put these to the side here. Drum roll, please. Oh, this thing is kind of heavy. Shout out to Nuke1949 of Thumb Thrashing Gaming. He called me right before I did this video, and yeah, he's like, "Yo, dude, this thing's heavy. It's kind of heavy." Shout out to Alex Lexus of New Game in Order. He did his unboxing video yesterday. I wasn't here to do it. I was away, so I just got back today. One day after, not too bad. But make sure you check out those guys' YouTube channel to see their unboxing as well and their commentary. All right, so let's see. This thing is like, yeah, really heavy. Okay. Whoa! Ah, that thing was nice. Ooh! There you have it. Project Scorpio edition. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, and it says it right there, Project Scorpio. So have your, let's just get up a little closer. You have your HDMI. Let's bring that into focus on HDMI. Oh wow. Yeah, the disc tray. You're able to sync your controllers. Everything on the back here. Sorry. Yep. HDMI out, HDMI in, USB, IR port out, SPDIF, LAN cable. Brick is on the inside, so it just has the power cable. Not too bad. This is nice, very sleek. Very sleek. This is very sleek. Yeah, so I'm gonna fire this bad boy up. Yeah, I'm just getting back into town, pretty much into the country, so I got a lot of catching up to do, guys. I'll be back with some more videos. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back. Peace.